and welcome back to my channel. It is going to be a little bit echoey in here because I only have vanity, a plant, and a mirror. But I am in my new house. This is my first official video filmed here, which is very exciting. I'm sitting down in my office enjoying that bomb lighting, ready to film this video. I have gathered from all of the comments and stuff on my videos that a lot of you guys are moving as well, whether that be into a new apartment or whether that be into your new home. And I thought it would be very, very helpful for me to review every single item that I have purchased from Amazon Prime during this whole process and let you guys know if it's worth it. And if there's anything in here that I think you guys are an absolute necessity that you can go ahead and pick up before you move. Let's go ahead and review every single thing that I've purchased on Amazon. By the way though, if you haven't followed my new account, which is the Belle below, you should go do that. It's a party over there. And then also follow me on Instagram. So I'm going to start off with the first thing that I purchased, which was the certified refurbished video doorbell satin nickel from The Ring. I paid, I think, about $85 for this, and it ended up saving me $15 because I did buy it certified refurbished, which is a win-win in my opinion, because I mean it works just like a new one. It's just an easy way to save money. So I got generation 1. I didn't quite know the difference between the second and the first. Like, it had better quality video, but you know, did I really need that? No, not really in my opinion. So I ended up going with the first generation. I recommend also having a security system, but if you are just starting out, the Ring is definitely very helpful. I think it ended up being like $10 a month. That was a great buy on my end. I'm very, very happy with it. Next thing I got was the Ring all new Ring stick-up camera battery HD security camera with two-way talk, works with Alexa. And I paid $99 for it, which I think is a bargain. I was kind of going back and forth between this one and then also the one that had like the floodlights on it, which I mean was also a good option, but I think that one was like $250, and we have lights out there, and I also read that that one had not the best reviews, so I didn't end up going with that one. And it's kind of just like the Ring, but it's not a doorbell, you know, there's no button to press, but it's a great way to secure an area. We find that the camera quality is really, really good. At night it does get a little bit grainy because I think it switches to like black and white, which is a little strange, but overall we really like it. So the next things that I recommend purchasing if you are buying a new home or even moving is getting your light fixtures on Amazon. I didn't know it's like, I mean, it's easy to change the lights. Like I got quoted, I think like I think it was close to $300 for some guy to come to change 3 light fixtures, and it took Cody maybe an hour. Don't do that. Find someone that knows how to do it, whether that be a family friend or something of that matter. Install your own lights. This can be done on a rental as well. You can take out stuff and replace it as long as you remember to replace it once you know, move out. I didn't pay more than $100 for a fixture just because I was like, it's just not the most important thing to me. One of the tips that I give to you guys is to definitely look to see if you can buy it used or like new or something like that, because oftentimes when they're up on the ceiling they don't get touched and stuff like that. So I've been able to save like $10 to $15 per fixture, sometimes even more, by purchasing it like new, or like if the packaging was damaged or something like that. The one that's my favorite is the one that we have in our living room. It's got 6 little lights on it and I think it's so good. The next thing is probably my favorite thing to talk to you guys about today. It is these smart LED bulbs. So these are the ones I got. I did not find it necessary for me to get the name brand Philips Hue ones, just because A, money don't grow on trees and I'm not spending like $30 for a freaking light bulb. I will, however, spend $10 on one. You guys, these are so sick. They only run on 2.4 Wi-Fi, so make sure that's something you have access to. They're the brand Olux Smart Wi-Fi LED light bulbs. You don't need like a hub like the Philips Hue ones do. You just need to download the Smart Life app. And you guys, look. So Right now I have like a really warmer tone light. See, now we're blue. And we can also change it to different colors. We want some red action. Do we want red lights? No, but it's an option if I really want that to be the vibe. All you have to do is download this app, connect it. It's really super easy to connect, and you can change the color and the tones, and you can even change like how dim you want it. If you're having a party and you want the colors to be colorful, Cody like plays video games in his room. He always has it on red, which is interesting. But yeah, those are expensive, but I would definitely recommend them. I think they're amazing. I have zero complaints. Next thing I purchased is this handy dandy light for my vanity. Wow. Or you can change the coloring. Blue. But yeah, it changes the color. I think I paid 16 bucks for that light, which is really nice. It's kind of like a ring light, but I just use it for when I'm doing my makeup, and I really enjoy it. You can bring it with you. It connects to like mirrors with like a suction cup, which is really handy. As you can see, I'm very happy with all my purchases so far on Amazon. The next thing I got was a set of rollers and trays and everything like that to paint. So here's one of the trays that we use. As you can see, it matches my room. I paid, I think, $10 per set. Oh, it's not available anymore. Well, if you go to Lowe's or Home Depot, you're gonna get ripped off. You don't wanna do that. Just buy them on Amazon. You can buy a pack, and it even comes with like the stuff that you can put on the ground so you don't get it everywhere. Next thing I got were called the Fixtures satin pillowcase for hair. It came with 2 different pillowcases for $10. I'm still filling this one out. It's not like a real silk pillow, but it's satin and it's better for your like face or something like that. I don't know. Caitlin's story made me buy it, so we're still feeling that one. I got the 18 inch cinnamon dog bed or cat bed for a kennel. I paid $6 for this, which they are usually about $12 when you go to like Home Goods or something like that. It's a new bed for Miller's Kennel, just because it's obviously like loose cushion. This one's like a vibe. The coloring is such a vibe, so I don't know. It was a random late night purchase, but Miller seems to enjoy it. Water filter. I bought a water filter. I always recommend buying your water filters, whether it's the ones for like the little ding, ding. They're gonna be so much more expensive at Home Depot or Lowe's, and you can find them in like bulks for Amazon, and remember to actually change it every 6 months. All you have to do is like look at the one that you have and type it in and read the reviews, make sure it's actually what it says it is, and yeah, I think I paid like $8 for ours. Next thing I got were these drawer dividers. So I have a walk-in closet finally, which is so exciting, and it's got storage. And I got these drawer dividers so I could divide the drawers. Crazy concept. I haven't actually used them yet, but I have read amazing reviews on them. Exactly what I was looking for. I didn't want any of like the wood ones. I just wanted something simple. You guys, if you want to update your kitchen, even if it's a rental, something I recommend doing is changing out the hardware. It's super easy. I got a pack of 30 different things for I think about 30 bucks. One's like for a pool, and then there is one of these little ones for the knobs. Highly recommend using those to update your space. I'm going to do an entire video on our kitchen transformation just because I think it's going to be really good, but that one was an easy yes for me. I also bought more light bulbs. I've purchased 3 boxes of these so far. And the final thing that I got comes tomorrow. You can't see that, but I got a mattress. So I bought a mattress on Amazon. I just wanted something quick and easy for our guest bedroom. It's nothing that is gonna be like something people sleep on every single night, you know what I mean? Like when we have guests, we have them for like 3 days. I made sure it wasn't made out of fiberglass or anything like that, and people are obviously, I read the reviews like crazy because I'm terrified of like bed bugs and stuff like that, but this is the one that I found to be the best and the highest reviewed. Really hoping it's a good one, but that hasn't come yet. That comes tomorrow. And now this is something that I've had for years. These are what I used to use as sunglass holders. Now I'm going to use them as my nail polish holder, which is technically what you buy them as on Amazon. They are so handy if you're organizing your sunglasses and you just want something that you can like quickly grab. That's always been one of my favorite things to do with them. But for once, I'm actually going to use it for nail polish because I have a lot of nail polish now these days, which is exciting. The last thing that I'm going to talk to you guys about that I highly recommend purchasing on Amazon is, drumroll please, your macrame. I love my vintage one that I have hanging up, but let me just be clear with y'all. It's just as good as my ones that I buy in bulk on Amazon. Who really cares? You know, one's hanging in my bathroom. I'll probably end up buying ones that are a little bit more brown, but if you type in jute, J-Y-U-T-E, J-U-T-E, wow, I'm stupid. Those ones are going to be more brown, and then the macrame is actually going to be the one that's more like a macrame color. Wow. That was a lot of talking. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was useful for you guys. Big Amazon gal here. I'm super excited and I hope you guys are too. And be sure you follow me on my new Instagram. It's the Belle Glow. That is like the dumbest thing I've ever done, but also the greatest thing I've ever done. Be sure you follow that, and also follow me, which is Sarah Belle Elizabeth. It's what it's been for years. And until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye.